Watch this, guys. Press this. Keep it held. The windscreen comes down now. Alright. Okay, the 58 should do it. I'm not a golf pro, but let me show you something super cool. The reason why I have these golf clubs is because of this. Check this out. All right, in what supercar can you fit 2 full golf sets? Look at that, McLaren GT. This is like a super comfortable supercar. You have the butterfly doors, beautiful and so light. And around the front, you have more storage, you guys. So for weekends away, fits a lot of stuff, more than any other McLaren. It's made to be super comfortable. You've got this beautiful leather everywhere. And you've got something here I want to show you. Ambience. You can choose the color and look over here. Changes to orange, blue, white, red. You don't get those sophisticated touches in another McLaren supercar. Look at all this space in the back, guys. You've got 2 full sets of golf clubs, and then you've got all of this space here for more luggage. Yeah. This feels a lot more comfortable because you don't feel every lump and bump in the road. This is meant for grand touring. That's what GT stands for, you guys. This is meant for a weekend away.